Okay, this is kind of an experiment. I've got the cell phone set up in a situation here where I can use both my hands. And I have rarely ever done this because I don't have a tripod or any way to hold a camera. So usually it's just one hand and I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So this is a video to try to show a two-handed thing. And what I've got here is a 3D printed rotor that one of the things I wanted the 3D printer for was to do things I couldn't do out of wood or another way. And this rotor is made in two pieces here, and it allows you to put the magnets in a number of configurations and configure a different kind of rotor. But here again, the main point of this video is to show two hands, and you can make a better video when you have two hands. So I've got the camera set up here in a weird way, but let me show you what I've got going on here. This little rotor goes in that hole right there, if I can find it, like that. And then this is just a screw, a steel screw in a lid, and the rotor just sits down in that screw and spins around like that. And then over here I've got the driver, which is a very fine wire coil, a 40 gauge wire, and a super capacitor with a little bit of juice in it, and a reed switch, and then an LED. And you put the driver up there like that, and you get that just right. And there goes your pulse motor. So anyway, that's just something I wanted to show with the two hands, and what you can do when you have two hands. You can make a better video, which, like I say, I don't ever do that. I always hold the camera with one hand and use the one hand to make it different. But anyway, the point of this was to show this this simple driver with that supercapacitor, which is about 4 farad, 2.7 volt, and it's one I just got off of I believe it was Amazon. But look at how small it is, and I put like a volt and a half in it just for this demonstration. And the other thing was, of course, to show this this new rotor thing that I got going on here with the 3D printing that I thought was pretty neat. And this isn't glued together, this is just held together with friction with the needle going through it. And these are not glued at all, these magnets. They're just free floating. They're in a traction. It's a monopole, like north here and north here with a traction, but you can take this rotor and reconfigure it a number of different ways. So anyway, just one thing I wanted to show, and the use of two hands on the video. Thanks for watching.